Oh, hey everybody, Katsy here with an update on my mask making. Made a bunch of masks, sent them out to San Diego, Colorado, Atlanta, and I've sent a few out here in LA, and I'm still making more. And I've discovered a few things. One is that instead of stringing the elastic through the casing, I've been sewing it right on the inside. It allows me to use a little less elastic, and it goes on super easy. And then if somebody wants to instead use cording or string, I've added that. They can add that, and it's a pull and tie. Another thing I discovered was I was reading online that some of the first responders are having an issue with elastic irritation on the backs of their ears. And I was sitting there having a iced cafe latte and looking at my straw, and I ended up taking the straw, cutting it, and wrapping it around the elastic with some washi tape. Now what I will do in the future is I will actually string the elastic through the straw. But anyway, I put it on and realized where there's more elastic touching the ear here, there's only a tiny bit of this straw. It's like straight up, so it's like giving relief. So I'm like, yay! And then I still have the cording for anyone that wants to do it that way. So I'm going to be sending them out with the elastic, and I'd like to find stronger straw so they could take them off if they want to. And I won't be sending the cording because everybody likes different things, ribbons, string, what have you. Or I may, who knows. Anyways, going to get back to making more masks. We are going to do this, y'all. Let's just keep making these masks. We're going to defeat this pandemic one mask at a time. We are the modern day Rosie the Riveters, except we're Mavis the mask makers. So let's get ready to sewambo or something like that as soon as I finish my latte.